having worked on a variety of bead art for over 5 years. I'm here now to share that knowledge with you. Hello everyone, and welcome aboard this fun and creative journey as I share with you skills I've gained in a field that I am genuinely passionate in. I'm Stipe and I love art. So we're going to show you how we wind and close and add another fishing line. You basically just trying to hide the fishing line, but you go in the reverse. So like the fishing line on the right, you put it through the blue bead like that. And the other one on the through like that. You make sure you pull it back and put it through as many bends as possible so that it can be able to be strong. So guys, we are adding the fishing line. You put the fishing line on the right through the red bead or even the blue bead. Either ends, you can start from either ends. Then you pull it. Make sure you balance it so that all the heads of the fishing line are exactly together, like that. And then you pick a blue bead on the left, you pick up another blue bead on the left, and then you take another blue bead on the right, then you crisscross on the right, and then you pull. You make sure your fishing line is balanced. Then you put the fishing line through the white bead. Pull. Put the fishing line through the other fishing line. You put a white bead. You crisscross on the green. Should have something looking like this. Basically in beadwork, the pattern that you use to stitch is just the same, except for the corners. That's why you can add more beads, but when you're going in a straight line, it's just one bead on the right, one bead on the left, then you crisscross with the one that is next to your bead art. Then you pass the fishing line through the next bead, in this case which is white. Then you pick a bead on the right which is white, a bead on the left which is green, then you crisscross on the green. That's a perfect example. I guess you can see that this process is quite long. But bit by bit, brick by brick, the bracelet takes form and becomes bigger and longer by each step that you take. So you have to be quite patient. Okay, so after repeating the same pattern for several times, we get to this point and we still continue until we get to the desired length of the bracelet. For all of you who are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. You can also share and tell us in the comment sections what you'd love to learn. So guys, I hope we are all at this point. Do the closing bit. So guys, as you can see, we are at the final stage. We are doing the closure of the bracelet. For those of us who haven't watched the previous videos on how to make a Kenyan bracelet, kindly check them out for better understanding on how to make a closure on the bracelet. But you can also keenly follow what we are doing to see how we are closing, for those of us who are better used to making bracelets. So guys, hope you learned something new today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on our next video.
Oh